How to talk about your favorite food. Hi everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about one of the most enjoyable topics, our favorite food. Food is something everyone loves, so this is a great way to practice speaking English and also share something about yourself. Start with an introduction. When someone asks you about your favorite food, don't just say the name. Add more details. For example, what is your favorite food? Why do you like it? When do you usually eat it? Who cooks it for you? How does it make you feel? Useful vocabulary. Here are some useful words and phrases to describe food. Taste words: sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter, tangy, creamy, crunchy, juicy, delicious, mouth-watering. Cooking words: fried, baked, grilled, boiled, roasted, steamed. Feeling words: comforting, satisfying, refreshing, filling, light, heavy. For example, I love pizza because it's cheesy and delicious. Structure to answer. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Name your favorite food. My favorite food is. Describe what it is. It is a type of, made with. Explain why you like it. I like it because it is. Add when/how you usually eat it. I usually eat it on weekends. Add a personal touch. It reminds me of, or my mom makes the best version of it. Let's try an example. My favorite food is chicken biryani. It is a rice dish made with chicken, spices, and vegetables. I love it because it's spicy, flavorful, and always makes me feel happy. I usually eat biryani with my family on special occasions. My mother cooks it at home, and I think her biryani is the best in the world. This dish reminds me of celebrations and brings back many good memories. Student practice prompt. Now it's your turn. Try answering these questions. What's your favorite food? What does it taste like? Who usually cooks it, or where do you eat it? Why is it special for you? When do you usually eat it? Remember. Speak in full sentences, not just single words. Closing. Great work. Talking about your favorite food is not only fun but also a great way to improve your English fluency. Practice this again and again with different foods, and you'll see how much more confident you become in speaking. Here are some sample conversations about favorite food. Beginner level with simple sentences. Food: pizza. My favorite food is pizza. It has cheese, tomato, and bread. I like it because it is tasty and easy to eat. I usually eat pizza with my friends on weekends. It makes me happy. Focus: short, clear sentences with basic vocabulary. Intermediate level. Add some more details. Food: biryani. My favorite food is chicken biryani. It is a rice dish made with chicken, spices, and vegetables. I love it because it is spicy, flavorful, and very filling. My mother cooks it at home, and I think her biryani is the best. I usually eat it on Sundays or during festivals. This dish reminds me of family celebrations. Focus: adding description, spices, occasions, personal touch. Advanced level. Being fluent and expressive. Food: ice cream. If I had to choose one favorite food, it would be ice cream. It comes in many flavors, but I especially love chocolate and mango. Ice cream is sweet, creamy, and refreshing, especially on hot summer days. I often eat it with friends when we go out, and sometimes I even make it at home. What makes ice cream special to me is that it always brings back childhood memories of summer holidays and family outings. It's not just a dessert, it's a small piece of happiness in every bite. Focus: smooth flow, emotions, memories, and richer vocabulary.